Hello everybody. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a ball from a snake or a twist cube. So first of all, in whatever shape you have your snake or twist cube, you need to make it into a very long line. So into a snake, like I'm doing. So now I've arranged it. So you want to keep this thingy or this up ramp and bend it away from you. So bend it away from you. So it should be like this. Now you hold the cube like this. These two pieces need to be twisted towards you. So these two pieces need to be twisted towards you. So we take these two pieces and we twist them like this. So we are twisting them towards us. So your cube should look like this. Now we need to ignore this piece. We count 1, 2. So these two pieces and this whole line should be twisted towards us. So I hold the cube like this and then I twist it like this. So we should get something like this right now. Now we need to take this piece or this white piece and twist it away from us. So we take this and we twist this whole line away from us. So it should look something like this. Now we take 1, 2, these two pieces and twist them on the right hand side. So like this. Now we take these two pieces or this full line and twist it like this to make these two pieces match. So this is blue and this is blue. This should match. So when we have done that, we should get a tie. So like this. So now when we have these two matching like these, we want to twist this towards us. So take this piece and twist it towards us like this. Now we hold the twist cube or the snake cube like this and we twist this white piece up. So we twist it up like this. Now we want this piece to come here. So we take this piece right here and twist it towards us. So take this piece and twist this like this towards us. So this piece is like this. Now we hold the big line like this and twist it like this. So this piece is actually twisting, but we hold the big line and twist it like this. Now we take this blue piece and twist it away from us like this. So you should have something like this right now. So now we need to put this piece up. So we need to take it up. So how do we take it up? We rotate it upwards. Now we take this piece, count 1, 2, take this piece and rotate it down. So take it and rotate it down. Now we take these two pieces, holding the big line, we rotate this piece. This blue piece needs to be rotated like this. So we should have gotten something like this. Now we take this blue piece and rotate it towards us. So this like this, we rotate it towards us. Now we take this white piece. This white piece should go down. So we take this white piece and we move it down like this. Now we count 1, 2. This piece should be flipped away from us. So I take this piece and I flip it away like this. Now we want this and this to match. So how do we do that? We hold the big line and move this piece. So this piece should be moved. So you take the big line and move this piece like this. So now these two are matching. Now we want this piece to be straightened like this. So we move it down or towards us like this. Now this piece is spoiling everything, this white piece. So we take it and move it away from us. So like this. Now we take this white piece and move it towards us. So like this. Now this piece needs to be flipped away from us. So we take this piece and we rotate it once by flipping it away from us like this. Now we hold this line or this two pieces and we rotate this piece and move it like this. So now we have completely made a ball out of the snake cube. If you want to learn how I make many other cubes, please subscribe and leave a very positive comment down below.